everybody knows Costco. But in every country, Costco carry different products. So today I'm going to show you what's in Taiwan only, and you can see and buy in the Costco. The one I'm going to is in Noodle Costco. Okay, let's go. Layout is almost like the US Costco. Pharmacy section. Oh, Christmas time. Scary. Okay, so the fun part is actually downstairs. Well, we have to find a place to get down first. Looking at those snacks. Okay, so let's just get to downstairs. So this is designed differently. You can actually have the push cart come down with you. Costco in the US, you will have a section for the wine and the beer. Of course, you're going to find it here, and you can have tasting. What I want to show you is not just the wine section. Socket in the milk carton, 58 alcohol, 58 degree Taiwan alcohol. Of course, my favorite as well in Costco. Can you imagine that? So those are the normal red wine, white wine. But you can see the price is a little bit higher. Coffee costs. Okay, one of my favorite sections. Whiskey. All kind. Oh, vodka. Oh, gotta check this out. Wow, I don't want to break it. Holy cow. Jack Daniel. Irish whiskey. In big size. I think everything here is plus size. And of course, if you're not 18, please do not drink. Okay, next section. Line is always long. Okay, I want to show you something that's also very unique here in Taipei, in Taiwan. The seafood section. Taiwan is a big island, so a lot of seafood. Okay. The rest is almost the same. And of course, Taiwan carry a lot of different kind of fruit. Beside apple, orange. You like 7? Almost like 3 sections of the cooler is all about seafood. Oyster. Shrimp. Snail. Look at the size of this shrimp. Okay, I was wrong. It's not 3, it's 4 and 5 and cooler here. All seafood. Scallop. This is a demo, so what's in the box is the scallop. And this is the meat section, chicken. No different. Okay, let's go check it out. Something else. Okay, what do we get here? Beef bake, seafood bake. So instead of chicken bake, we have seafood bake. Of course, pizza, chicken, sandwich, hot dog, salad, Caesar salad, chicken salad, and the clam chowder. So I don't have my lunch yet. Over here I ordered some clam chowder. Instead of chicken bake, I have a seafood bake. Oh my god, this seafood bake is actually pretty good. So you can see the shrimp. It's actually inside. Very tender. Okay. And the clam chowder too is pretty good too, because the oyster is from the local Taiwan. Yummy. Okay, so I hope you enjoy it.